Why don't you cool it and have a julep? Let's make mint juleps. Really, a julep is any drink over crushed ice. But the most famous julep is the mint julep, the signature drink of the Kentucky Derby, which I hope nobody participates in or watches on television. Okay, simple syrup, just buy it. You don't want to make this. Do you really want to make this? Then you have to wait 3 hours for it to cool down. Just buy it. The ingredients are water and sugar, okay? They want about a half an ounce, which is approximately this amount. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this fresh mint, which I washed from my garden, put it in the mint julep thing. And you're supposed to have a muddler, which is one of those like pounder things. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna kind of bruise the leaves, bruise the leaves. It smells like mint, which is what you want. You wanna release the mint. Now, that's just minty syrup. This is supposed to be crushed, but it's not, okay? So color me crazy. And now I'm gonna pour in bourbon, 2 ounces, okay? I'm gonna stir this around until it gets a little frosty. Garnish with a mint sprig. Beep. That's straight bourbon. Who the hell is drinking that? I guess the ice is supposed to melt. That is a shot of bourbon with mint flavoring. It's delicious. No, I mean, it is. It's really good. You know, this is what a lot of people don't know. You should never drink a drink with this thing sticking in your face, or the stick. You remove the garnish, but a lot of people don't know that, so I'm not going to remove it. That's a good drink. Mint julep. This is a strong drink. I don't know who's drinking these. Whew. I can see why people like it, though.